Today we are making immersive footwear covers. Now let's cut to the chase. What you need is a saw, some pins, a lighter, a whittling knife, some marking device, a sharpener, a thick preferred leather needle, thick leather thread, or something very high in tensile strength, a dowel rod or some kind of button or something of similar that, and a drill if you are using a dowel rod or buttons. Let's begin. Scissors, shoestring. First, you add plastic wrap to your foot with your chosen footwear that you want to make a cover. Apply duct tape in the fashion that you desire for this project. Then cut yourself out. Adding duct tape to extend the flaps for your pattern about 2 to 4 inches. Cut down the center of the pattern, then the sides where it curves and bulges. Then trace and cut. Pin it together. Sew it together. Add a loop for the shoelace. Sew it in the back of your project. To make toggles, cut out dowel rods, shape them, drill 2 holes in them, sew them in along with a shoelace, like so. Make sure you thoroughly attach the toggles to the project. Attaching your footwear cover requires you to unlace it. Slip the lace through the loop to make sure that the cover is secure and do not shift on you. This is a little demonstration of how to put your footwear cover on. Always and forever, stay hydrated. And secondary, be immersive.